You ready to open this?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, so let's start off with hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to a brand new unboxing video. This doesn't happen often on my channel and I'm really excited whenever it does happen. And today I'm joined with my husband. Yay! Let's go ahead and open the box. So I think this box is big, but not as big as my chair. So I just think it would be better if I just had two hands to help. I have a kniffy. No, we are not unboxing a baby. It could be a baby. Oh, did I not go deep enough?
You missed this side.
Oh, okay.
Wrong.
Okay. And dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Paper.
Oh, that's beautiful. Popping. And the reason why I have him here to help me. You can. You got it?
Almost.
Almost? I hope our viewers are excited. Oh!
Da-na-na-na.
Ta-da! We got our PS5 in today! Woo! And all these random cards.
I ripped the front a little bit.
Huh? Oh, it doesn't matter. Ta-da! Look, we got a brand new PS5. Do you guys remember my PS5 cosplay? Leave that in the comments down below if you do. If not, go ahead and check out the cards. So we also got a brand new controller. I guess that means we have to get two controllers because this one only has... Oh! We have two controllers.
I think so.
Okay, you're player 2 and I'm number 1. Woo! I'm so excited. So can we have the knife?
No.
Alright, so let's break the magic binding called tape at the top. Who knew? If you guys checked out my live streams on Twitch, you'll know that I have problems with tape. I just couldn't open one of my birthday presents. Alright, so another thing, so we don't hurt ourselves. Play like never before. Lightning speed. Speed!
Speed!
Wow, this is such a big box. We really don't need this kind of big box. Alright, this is why we needed two hands, and I asked for help. And a-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. You guys are here for the journey. Did I mess that?
Pull it up. No, other way.
Which way?
Hold your end up. No.
No, this way?
Your end up, yes.
Say bottom up. Oh, that's cords. We don't care about cords yet.
You don't plug things in.
Plug things in. Is that it? Yeah, there's nothing else in here.
Nice paperweight.
Oh, it will be in maybe 5 years. You excited? I'm gonna unwrap the other side. And here, you wanna pull this off while I hold it up? Oh, shiny! Is it mine? Is it ours? You have to lick it too then. It's tradition.
Is it?
Yes. Remember when we got my PS4 and I licked it? You have to lick it.
Okay. Aw.
He did it! Has to be more like... That's how you know it's ours. Okay, so this is our new PS5. Would it be funny if I dressed up as PS5 actually? That would be really fun. Cool, so thanks for joining our unboxing video. That's it, I'm sorry. There's nothing else to this video. Want to say anything?
No.
Alright, bye!